Tumurigereri aborokigwa obobo Teresa abokonya bachakire mirimo asinyagitari aho kose bamenyekanite muna chintane nigo besokirie na kumachia gitambukorogie serikali kwetera asomo wasiri bobo chenu Kisii Dwale kobaka isiko bagokwana nabalikiwa mangana hali tukolia lero imiyomo cyobosongo nigabarukiga boba bolidi serikali kwemukie gitambukiro kende eliko bayiburania emirimo limo lyoka.
This is uncalled for. This is unlawful, and we are actually disappointed with the CS because of what he has done. Actually, with our institutions, they are the ones who have we have been verified by them. So right now, what we are asking from the Minister of Health, just redo the process and find the best solution to look into this matter at hand. Don't rush into making decisions that are going to cost the lives of Kenyans, because we are dealing with lives, not any other cadre.
A lot of us parents have really tried supporting us into this. Right now is 1 month. We've used resources for transport, paying rent, deposits, coming from wherever we are coming from to be here. All this is costly, and we can't reverse it back. And even reversing it right now where we are, we don't know what to do, because even that transport for going back home, evacuating, we don't have, and we don't know where it's going to come from. Yes. Our parents really relied on us, and right now they were looking forward for us, and right now they don't even know what to do. Some of us were even scared of telling them, like, sorry, it's not the way you guys thought. So kindly reconsider. And this issue of saying that one has to be a graduate, it doesn't make sense, because what if I never graduated just because I didn't have the financial potential to pay for that graduation? Graduation is very expensive. Where will I get the 13K to pay for that? For example, the gown is 13,000. Where will I get that to pay for it? Is this payment for that is upcoming that I was looking for, so that I can at least from it take it and pay for it, so that I can graduate and get my license.
So we are telling the Ministry of Health that we will continue giving services. We are not coming for the revocation letters, and